Welcome one, welcome all to another 350Z POV. I literally just got off work like 30 seconds ago, so I'm about to dip and we're gonna get a POV drive-in for you guys. So without further ado, let's start the Z. Starts right up. As I'm letting the Z warm up, if you guys are new to the channel, do me a favor and just hit the subscribe button. We are on our way to 3,000 subs by the end of this year, and we are literally almost there, guys. And with your help, we can hit that milestone of 3,000. With all that said, first and foremost, how are you guys doing today? I'm doing pretty good. Like I said, I just got off work, so honestly, I could never be better. That's like the best feeling in the world to me. It's like when you get off work, you just get out of there and you just, you know, move on with your day. But damn, look at that cow. It's got some long horns, boy. But I hope you guys are having a good day as well. By the time this video goes up, it's probably going to be either Halloween or after Halloween, so happy Halloween, guys. The weather has been absolutely amazing in Florida recently. If you guys don't know, that's where I'm from. But yeah, we're in like the 60s right now, so all day today, right? It's been like a nice breeze, and honestly, I wish the Z was boosted because it's you know, boost weather, it's coming. We're NA boys, probably not going to be boosted anytime soon, unfortunately, but it's all good. The weather's pretty nice anyways, though. Am I gonna make it? Oh, I am. Bet. Now we are approaching the back roads. Definitely did not just run that light. So if you guys are new to the channel, I'll throw a picture up on the screen. I got a 2005 Nissan 350Z, and it is a 35th anniversary edition. Some people know about it, some people don't, but it's a pretty cool car. It's like a fully spec'd out Z. It does have a DE rev up in it, but honestly, my car, it doesn't really, you know, have the oil burning issue. I guess other 350Zs have it, but my car doesn't, so kind of stoked about that. Come on, go, 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 go. I cannot stress this enough, guys. You guys got to stay tuned because I've been ordering a bunch of new mods for the Z, and they're on their way. So I don't know when they're gonna come in because like all the shipping delays and stuff, but we got a new stage 2 clutch so we can bank gears. We got some test pipes on the way, a couple other goodies. Oh, it's a Honda. Definitely sounded like a Honda too. We're gonna hit a U-turn here because these people are driving so slow, so. Okay, he's turning, bet. Oh, there's a cop. Oh, good, he's going the other way. Right now, dude, we're about to freaking run out of gas. I just realized that. Holy crap. No turn on red. That's kind of retarded. I kind of want to just turn. This thing rips, dude. Especially because we have like no gas in the tank, so technically the car is like way lighter. Be careful, we don't want to run into an op. They like to chill on these back roads for whatever reason, and we're empty, so probably we got to get, yeah, it says 38 miles till empty, so we definitely got to find a gas station. So I think I'm gonna hit a right at this roundabout. Ooh, those downshifts though. One more for the boys. Nice. Oh. Dude, this thing rips. Guys, I wish you could see the smile on my face. I absolutely love this car. And honestly, I can't wait till I'm like full bolt-ons and I can get a tune. And we're making like what, 270 wheel, something like that. I probably make around like, I'd say like 250 wheel on a good day, 260. But, oh, pothole. But this thing, it's really, it pulls really good, guys. It honestly amazes me. We're sitting at almost 160,000 miles, and this car is still running like super strong. If you guys don't know, I bought this car from the original owner, so it was like super well kept, garage kept, everything. So shout out to him. With all that said, guys, I just ran into some traffic, so I'm just gonna go ahead, gas up, and then head home. But if you did stay till the end of the video, I just want to say thank you so much, guys. And like I said, if you guys leave likes on the videos, leave comments, subscribe, I'm gonna keep making more of these videos for you, because I know these are like your absolute favorite videos, are the POVs. Peace out, guys. I gotta go get gas.